I'm on my senior year and I'm the team captain.
Hi, I'm Nina Ita, also a senior, middle blocker.
Hi, I'm Cassie Deering. I'm also a senior middle blocker.
Hi, I'm Yasha Nasara, rookie, outside hitter.
Hi, I'm Kian Alamo, rookie, opposite hitter.
Hi, I'm Julia De Leon, sophomore, center.
Hi, I'm Jen Marcial, rookie, middle blocker.
Start natin with the team captain. So for this season, what's the outlook of the team? Ano yung mindset natin? And ano ba yung goal natin for this season?
I said it before, but it's like every year the goal is the same for us to reach Final Four since for the past few years, for the past few seasons, the team has always been at the bottom. So obviously our goal would be to go up Final Four, but then we had to shift into just doing our best every single game. And the goal is there, but we're not too focused on it, rather just doing our best and winning every single game.
So for Nina naman, since before, junior member, rookie, diba? So you're on your 4th year na with the UP Fighting Maroons. And syempre, lahat ng mga kareglas natin dyan, mga UP Fighting Maroons community natin, ikaw talaga yung isa sa mga inaabangan. So, as a senior, ano yung ginagawa mo para matulungan yung mga rookies natin, mga junior members ng team natin?
Everyday po, sinusubukan ko po yung best ko na i-guide sila together with the seniors as well. Minsan nagkukulang, but I try my best to be consistent, to be there for them, to guide them. So, yeah. Yun lang po.
So for Cassie naman, since you came from a different country, no? So what is something that you've learned in your previous team that you can inculcate into the team right now?
I think it's the mindset that Coach Book is instilling with this team, which is that point-by-point mentality. That's something that's been instilled in me from the States of every single point matters. As soon as a point's done, that's done. It's this next point. And it's not even worrying about the next one. It's just the present moment. And as soon as that's over, the next present moment.
So for the rookies, we're going to ask you about your adjustments because we know that, of course, high school level is a different level, but of course in college it's a different animal altogether. So what are your adjustments and how did you prepare, especially you're going to UP, so there's really a lot of pressure, especially in ACADS. So ano yung mga preparations, any adjustments dito? Baby girl. Adjustments. Si Bien.
Ang dami ba naman natin?
Adjustment. Tsaka, siguro yun, especially siguro sa ACADS. Talaga. Lalo na sa ACADS.
Kasi po yung
Kasi mula po nung sa inyo kami, kasi grade 12 po kami, syempre senior po kami doon. So, ngayon po, nag-adjust po ulit kami rookies. Parang bumalik po ulit kami sa umpisa na kailangan may dati kami yung nag-uutas ngayon.
May inutusan kayo?
Grabe.
Ano yung pinakaayaw yung rookie duty?
Ano po, joke.
Steal na yan.
Wala sa po namin yun.
Sino ang water?
Lahat kami po lahat po. Tulong-tulong po kami.
May schedule sila.
May schedule.
Organized.
Organized.
Naka-Google Sheets pa.
It's a different system from you had from MU. Ano yung main difference ng system na meron kayo ng high school versus ngayon na nasa college na kayo? Mas stat-based ba? Mas numbers-based ba?
Mas stat-based po kasi si Coach po. So, yung sa high school po, parang inahayan ka lang ng coach mo. And po, mas si Coach po kasi every after training, minsan pinapacheck niya yung sinasabi niya yung stats namin. Pero iba na siya ngayon. So, hindi na kami pressured mag-training.
So, nung simula, medyo nape-pressure kayo kasi syempre nakikita niyo yung errors niyo. Tapos minsan negative, di ba? I think all great UAAP players naman nagkakaroon ng mga ganun. How do you so kay sophomore naman tayo kay Julia kasi you're a setter. So it's your second year here in UP but you're also familiar with your teammates already. So how do you keep up? I heard kasi that you just joined the training several weeks ago, diba? So how do you keep up with like learning how to set for them and then yung chemistry?
Well, I think the outdoor beach helped me a lot with the system and defense and also setting. But now, sometimes I struggle lang dahil iba yung parang bola and yung feel ng pag-set sa outdoor. So sometimes nabubuhat ko yung bola. Unlike indoor, dapat mabilis talaga yung pacing ng plays and yung set. Tapos, since nung first year naman ako, nakakasama naman ako sa training nila. So basically, I know them personally and yung gusto nila na makuha in terms of set and yung sistema rin. And medyo nahirapan ako mag-adjust sa new system nila with Coach Bok entering since last year I was in beach so hindi ako nakasali sa training nila and hindi ko makikita yung mga ginagawa indoor. So, noong January, dun ko lang na pansin na bago na lahat, tas based on stats nga. So, yun, which is better kasi dun talaga malalaman kung ano yung performance mo, if negative or positive. So, lahat equal yung performance and yung treatment.
You're new to the team. Siyempre sina Itang and Cassie are your main scorers as well as si Kian. So, may mga times ba na parang nagkakaroon kayo ng friction, napapagalitan ka ba ni Ninya, na mababa yung set mo, ganyan. And how do you communicate yung mga
Well,
ganun
for
situation?
me, it's normal naman na mangyari yun. Kasi you will learn from them. Kasi syempre, sila yung hitters mo. So, as a setter, as much as possible, dapat mas papadaliin mo yung buhay nila in terms of attacking. Kasi yun yung role mo ay ikaw yung parang utak and yung gagawa ng system sa team. So, if ikaw hindi mo makompose yung sarili mo, what more yung buong tao inside the court. So, I think, if they treat me like that, it's a lesson for me na kulang pa ako or I need to improve more. So, with Ate Kas and Ate Nina, nakakatulong sa akin yung input nila and then, in terms of communication, it is better for me, especially if sinisigawan nila ako during in-game, mid-game. Kasi there are times na super haba ng rally or parang tumatagal. If nag-shout sila ng mga gusto nilang play or attacks, mas easy for me mag-process.
That's really great input actually for especially new setter natin siya. So, baka na-intimidate sa mga seniors ninyo nung start. Like for example sa setter, 'di ba? Parang syempre sasetan mo yung senior mo, si Nikan minsan mukhang intimidating sa blocking, 'di ba? Or sa court as team captain din syempre. Wala namang gano'n, wala namang kayong intimidation factor nung start. Talagang close na kayo start pala.
First impressions lang.
Oh, sige. Anong first impression nyo kay Nika?
Ilay niya yan kasi.
Pinapaba ko ba?
Kay Ate Ninya naman. Anong first impression nyo kay Ninya?
Wala naman po, nakasama naman po namin siya sa training eh.
Kasi po sa
Pilipinas.
po, nung
National team.
Nakita ko namin siya training po kami sa kanila.
Hindi naman ako yung, hindi ako yun.
Feeling close ka na sa class.
Parang
So,
nakita ka lang.
Kay Julia, bilang kasi siya yung sophomore, so parang siya yung magpapasa ng mga rookie tasks. Ano yung impression niyo?
Oh,
diba?
Biglang nag-iba yung complexion.
So,
Nakaway ko si Julie.
She understands.
and about si Cassie, what was your first impression?
Okay lang.
Nahirapan lang po kami. Kasama po namin sa Japan. Especially roommate ko.
Oh, yeah.
Let's talk about your preparations in Japan. I think everyone here went to Japan, no? Cassie, you can share to us syempre that's the first time that you really had an outside training with that entire team, and it's also the first few weeks with this lineup. What was your first impression of the team, and how far have the team improved since then?
I think Japan was definitely the first time that I really got to know these three specifically. So I could tell it was definitely like the struggle of me speaking a lot of English and then but since then to now, all three of them have improved so much. At first I'm like, okay, and then now I'm super proud of their improvements in just a short amount of time. Yeah.